short I vowel sounds. We're going to sort these words into different categories, such as a category for short A, short E, and a category for short I. So we're going to read the words together first. Okay? So you each have your own category or your own set of
We have to
words.
put this all in order.
We'll see, I guess,
Is
won't
that,
we?
is that a B?
Okay, so we're going to read the words together first.
Big.
Bag,
Pink.
pink, pan,
Win.
wig,
Wig. Win.
10, red,
I know these.
fed. This one's kind of small. Let. Hang on, we're doing it together. Let. Dad. Read it together with me,
How's
guys.
that a C?
It's dad.
Oh. Egg.
Egg. Pit.
Pit.
Dip.
Dip.
Lip.
Lip.
Win.
Win.
Set.
Set.
Nap.
Nap.
Here, we'll put yours out afterwards. Wet.
Wet.
Did. Look at the words, Nevaeh.
Did.
Nap. Coat.
Coat.
Sam.
Bring egg.
Wag. Pet.
Pet.
Big.
Big.
Cat. Leg. Hat. Pin.